There was a question on the discussion board about two of the WileyPLUS questions. They were from Chapter 4, Section 2, questions 59 and 62. The first thing I want to do is find these in the textbook. So we go to Chapter 4, Section 2. And if we scroll to the end of this section, we can find all of the questions that you get in WileyPLUS. We want 4.59. So this is Skill Builder 6. If you're using a paper copy of the textbook, this is page 283. Within the online version of the textbook, for all of the odd questions, you get the answer and the work solution. So 59 is on the homework. Really all you have to do is you can go here and it'll give you the answer and the work solution. You have to be careful because some of these questions are algorithm questions, so the numbers will change. So in the textbook we have P hat is 30 over 50 and P sub O is 0.5, N is 50. In the question that you get in WileyPLUS, those numbers could be different. Let's look at a question that is not in the WileyPLUS homework though. Let's look at 4.60. So here we have an alternative hypothesis that P is less than 0.5. And our sample, we have P hat equals 38 over 100. And we need to find the P value using StatKey. So I'll go to StatKey. This is a randomization test for a single proportion. Need to edit the data. So in our sample, there were 38 out of 100. And the null hypothesis was that P equals 0.5, and our alternative hypothesis was that P is less than 0.5. Let's generate a few thousand randomization samples. I usually like to take at least 5,000 samples. Your textbook sometimes will tell you to take at least 8,000. Here we have our randomization dot plot. In order to find our p-value, we need to map our sample proportion onto this distribution. Before we do this, we need to figure out if we have a left-tailed, two-tailed, or right-tailed test. So we look at our alternative hypothesis. P is less than, so this is a left-tailed test. And P is less than 38 over 100, which is 0.38. Our p-value here is 0.011.